Okay, hello everyone. I'm Edward Suartono, and I'm a senior engineer from Moldex3D Asia Pacific team. And it's a very great time for me to be here, and it's also my privilege to share this webinar topic today, which is about Moldex3D Studio and how it is ready, and also what is the capability of this software to do the injection molding analysis. I guess some of you, also many of you, already heard that we already released Moldex3D Studio as our new platform, our new application. So we are very excited to share about this, especially because this year Moldex3D Studio is released as an official release. After the 2 years before was only like a beta version. So let's get started to know more about our Moldex3D Studio. So to begin with, as we know that in the simulation process, usually the current general workflow will be like this. So we start from the modeling, meshing, and then we do the setup, starting from the material, process settings, and finally select the analysis sequence. And after we finish running the analysis, we finally get the results. We do the result interpretation, and then in the end, we will generate the report. And how did it work before? So in previous times, what we did is like this, like we prepared the modeling and meshing in Designer. And after that, we export the mesh and then set up everything like method of process and also analysis, run the analysis, check the results, and generate the reports in project. But what will happen after we use the Moldex3D Studio? So this is the new workflow. It means that using the Moldex3D Studio, the users can start even from the modeling until generating the report under one platform. Okay, so everything will be integrated and everything will be easier to prepare the mesh, to set up the process, check the results, and also to generate the report. And what are the other benefits from this integration? So if you notice, maybe previously, if you use the Designer, Project, and also maybe Moldex3D Viewer, you will notice like this kind of problem. So the first, previously we need to do the back and forth between two applications, between Designer and Project. So every time you have one design, you run the analysis, and then you revise the design, you go back to Designer to create the new design, and then you export and then rerun again in the project. But now we do not need to undergo that kind of back and forth workflow anymore, because everything is under the same roof, under the same platform.